So in the previous video, we looked at the PDFATTACH text command to convert the text that we brought in with our imported PDF. So you can see that we're still in the import pdf.dwg file, and you can see that I've left the drawing in the same state as it was when we finished the previous video. So there's our text that we've converted to mtext, just sitting there on those dimensions. I'm going to zoom out slightly now. I'm going to select absolutely everything like that. And yes, I'm going to go to the Home tab and I'm going to erase everything like that. And what we're going to look at now is the PDFATTACH command. So make sure that your current layer is PDF, and we're going to attach a PDF as what they call an underlay, a bit like attaching a drawing as a reference drawing, an XREF. So if I want to attach a PDF, I simply type PDF attach, like so, and press enter. Now this will actually attach the PDF in exactly the same way as a reference drawing. So it takes me to the folder where my PDF is stored, and again you will need that MEC DWG 001 PDF. Download it if you haven't already, and use it obviously from a known location to follow along with the video. So I click on open and we get a subtly different dialog box this time. So there's our PDF underlay. We're attaching it now just like a reference drawing, like an XREF. So you can see we've got relative path, no path, full path. Relative path is fine because I know that my MEC DWG 001 PDF is in the same folder as the import pdf.dwg file. Now all I'm going to do here is use an insertion point of 0, 0. Scale is going to be 1 to 1. I'm not going to rotate it, so I'll leave the angle at 0. And there's the PDF file there, and it's only got the one page. I could select more pages if I wanted to. Click on OK. And it comes in at 0, 0 in the bottom corner. So I'm going to zoom in now. Do a little bit of zooming and panning there and bring it in. And there's my attached PDF. Now, when I click on this, it works in a very similar way as an XREF. As you can see, PDF underlay comes up on the ribbon when I select it, and I've got the ability to display in monochrome, add clipping boundaries, show the underlay, enable snaps to the PDF, and so on. I can also edit the PDF layers, you'll notice there on the ribbon. But you'll also notice right at the end there, I've got import as objects. So there's my PDF import again. So let's go through that process. I've already brought this in as an underlay. So if I now import as objects, what will happen now is specify first corner of area to import. So if I go down to my bottom left corner here using my object snaps and snap here to this corner like so, and I'm going to keep or detach or unload the PDF underlay. It's normally a good idea to actually detach it rather than unload it. But I'm going to unload it because I want to show you something. So if I unload that, like so, you can see now that it's now an imported PDF because it's gone to all the polylines and everything and so on. However, if I just hit escape a couple of times now and go to the Insert tab on the ribbon and go into my reference panel and just click on the little arrow there for external references, you can see there that I've got an external reference that is a PDF. It's my MEC drawing 001 and it's unloaded at the moment. If I now right click on that and reload it, you'll see when I close the external references palette, if I click on the edge there, I've still got my PDF underlay. It's still there. So what I can do is hit escape there, go back to the Insert tab on the ribbon, back to the little arrow there on the reference panel, and I will actually just unload that. And what it's got there is it's got two pieces of information, one on top of the other. So you've got the PDF import on top of the PDF attachment. If you don't want the PDF attachment anymore, you'd go to your external references palette again, just right click on it there and detach it as a reference. And then all you've got is the drawing. So if I close the palette now, all I've got is the drawing and the imported PDF elements. So I can now zoom in here on the text again, like we did previously. And I can go to my Recognize SHX text, and I'll select these objects here, like so, and these objects here, like so. Press enter, 2 groups of 2 completed, click on close, and they're now mtext again. So you can see how that PDF attach is different to the PDF import. When you attach, it becomes an underlay, like an XREF, but then if you want to bring that information into your drawing, you then do the PDF import command.